Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make some melon pine smoothie, so stick around and don't go anywhere. For your melon pine, you need some golden melon, also known as yellow melon or sun melon. You also need some pineapple. Now you need to wash the fruits. Most of the pineapples always come with sand, so you need to wash this thoroughly to make sure there are no dirt in it. Now it's time to peel the skin. You can start with any fruits of your choice. I'm starting with pineapple, then cut into smaller cubes or any shape you like. You also need some dates. Now soak the dates in hot water so it's easier to peel the skin and also to remove the seed. Next up is our golden melon. Now cut that into halves. If you've never tasted this fruit before, I suggest to give it a try. It tastes exactly like banana. It also tastes like watermelon, and it also has a lot of nutritional benefits. Now using a spoon, take out the seeds and cut into smaller sizes. Next, I'm going to be cutting just a little piece of the golden melon and I'm going to be shaping it with a cookie cutter. Now it's time for our dates. They are pretty soft now, so all you just need to do is just remove the seeds and wash them properly because some usually have some insects in it. So just make sure you wash it properly. Bring out your blender because it's time to blend some smoothie. So you're going to add all the previous fruits together, that is the pineapple, the golden melon, and also your dates. To make this super creamy, I'm going to be using some milk. So in a bowl I added 3 tablespoons of milk and also some hot water. Give that a stir and pour into your blender. You can already tell how creamy this is going to be, how smooth, how nice this smoothie is going to come out. Now blend this up until it is very smooth because we're not going to be sieving this at all. Next, I also added a tablespoon of honey. This is totally optional. Now get out your jug or any container of your choice and pour that smoothie. Trust me guys, if your smoothie is not looking like this, if it's not looking creamy, if it's not looking juicy, then something is definitely wrong. Now it's time to get out your glass cup and pour that smoothie. You can actually refrigerate this in the fridge, or you can also use some ice cubes to make it a little bit cool. Remember our garnish from earlier. Now put that on a glass cup. I also use the head of the pineapple for some aesthetic. Look how nice this is. We'll be trying out this recipe. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you haven't. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.